MetaQuest 3 controllers not pairing. Easy fix. Welcome! Today I'll walk you through some quick and easy troubleshooting steps to fix pairing issues with your MetaQuest 3 controllers. These fixes are straightforward and don't require technical expertise. The first step is to check your batteries. Make sure both controllers have fresh AA batteries installed. If the issue continues, avoid using rechargeable batteries as they sometimes cause inconsistent power levels. Always try with new batteries first. Next, restart your headset. Simply hold the power button for about 10 seconds, and from the menu, select Restart. This simple step often refreshes connections and helps the headset detect your controllers again. If restarting doesn't work, repair your controllers using the MetaQuest app. Open the app on your phone, go to Devices, then Controllers. From there, select your controller and tap Repair. This re-establishes the connection from scratch. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. This will erase all settings, so make sure you back up any important data first. After resetting, your headset will pair with the controllers fresh, usually solving any stubborn pairing issues.